Hello, my name is Brad Middlebrook and this is my app MacroLog. MacroLog is a macronutrient tracking app that allows users to track their nutrition and hit their fitness goals, whether that is losing weight, gaining weight, or just maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Upon opening the app, users will have the option to either log into an existing account or sign up for a new one. This is done using the Login view and Sign Up view. Additionally, user information is stored using Firebase's authentication service, as well as the store service and the Spoonacular API in order to search up foods in the database. So if we log in to an existing account, we are presented with a dashboard showcasing the total calories for the day, how many calories are left in the day, total carbs, protein, and fat, current weight, and the meals logged. This is done using the nutrition view model and the dashboard view. Additionally, to keep track of food information, we have created a food model in order to keep track of calories, protein, carbs, fat, what type of meal it is, and when the meal was added. Here's the Diary tab. Here, users can keep track of what foods they have logged for each meal, such as breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. Additionally, users can go back to see previous days or forward for current days or future days. Here is the Diary view and the Nutrition view model to keep track of this information. If we click here, it will take us to the Add Food tab, where we can search up foods using the Spoonacular database or manually enter one. Here, I've already looked some up, such as grilled chicken. It pops up cooked chicken. However, I will show it here. Here, it displays a bunch of options for cooked chicken. We add it for breakfast, and it pops up in our diary. Additionally, users can create manual entries, such as sushi, for example. Like if we name a food sushi and we list the calories, protein, fats, and carbs, right here we can add sushi to lunch, and boom. We go back to our diary, we have sushi. Here is the Add View tab and Diary view in order to keep track of how these functions function. Additionally, users can switch between pages using the tab. And here is the main tab view that keeps track of how the tabs function. Additionally, users can see a history of meals that they have recently logged, and they can quick add them to the diary. Profile. Here, users can see their profile, their calorie goal, their current weight, and their macro goal. Here, users can adjust these. So for example, if we want 2,200 calories, we can do that. And if we go to the dashboard, it'll reflect that. Same thing with weight. If we adjust it to 180, for example, it also reflects it, as well as the meals logged. If we go to macro goals, same thing. We can adjust protein to be 250, carbs to be 300, and we'll keep fats at 50. Here it adjusts the ratios, and as we can see, they have been adjusted. This is managed using the profile view. Finally, users can sign out of the app. That is my app, MacroLog. Thank you.